In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the ActiveResponse Personal Alarm. Mobile security on the go. Let's have a look at what's inside. An aqua coloured personal alarm button. It has an internal 110 decibel siren when activated. Pull the ring to activate the alarm and press the help button to send a free emergency text to your designated contact. You can twist the help button to lock the position to prevent unintentional button presses. Turn the top counterclockwise to install the provided long-life CR2 battery. Located at the bottom is a QR code to pair the personal alarm button in the Swann security app. A lanyard and a keyring to attach the personal alarm button to your keys or bag. And finally, a quick start guide. The quick start guide will have an overview of the personal alarm button as well as pairing instructions. The personal alarm button is also available in a graphite colour. Download the Swann Security app to your mobile device. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores, or click or tap the links below. You can unlock more features with a Swann ActiveResponse plan, such as 24/7 professional monitoring and response, send alerts to 5 emergency contacts, and to use the app to find your keys. Pause the video and scan the QR code for more information. Thanks for watching.